wish you all a very happy Sharad Navratri. And I know you all are very excited to celebrate the arrival of the goddess Durga. In a year, there are two main Navratri functions which are being organized across India. These are Chaitra Navratri and the Sharad Navratri. Navratri, it falls in the month of April and Sharad Navratri fall in the month of October. लोग ऐसे होंगे जो 9 days फास्ट रखते हैं, कुछ फ्रेंड्स ऐसे भी हैं जो फर्स्ट और लास्ट डे का फास्टिंग करते होंगे, and many of those due to any health reasons or maybe due to any reasons आप फास्ट नहीं करते हैं. But yes, I know you even follow certain diet plan during this period. Friend, in this video, I will be telling you the scientific fact behind omitting certain food items. Friends, आप सब ये बात जानते हैं, and most of you during Navratris, you tend to omit certain food items. During Navratris, friends, जो food items जो हम omit करते हैं, which we don't prefer, is non-veg food. Apart from that, friends, during Navratri, we do not consume onion and garlic. हम अनियन और गार्लिक को प्रेफर नहीं करते हैं इन आवर डाइट प्लान ड्यूरिंग नवरात्रीज. सो फ्रेंड्स, व्हाई इट इज़ डन सो, आई विल बी टेलिंग यू द साइंटिफिक रीज़न बिहाइंड दैट. अगर आप ऐसा करते हैं, ऑल्दो अनियन एंड गार्लिक फॉर्म्स द पार्ट ऑफ योर वेजिटेबल फैमिली, बट स्टिल वी डोंट प्रिफर दैट ड्यूरिंग द नवरात्रीज. Omitting onion and garlic in your diet plan and following some simple diets during Navratri, how it can benefit and what all diet you can include as a part of your Navratri fasting, I will be telling you all that in this video. Before moving on that part, you need to do a small thing. You need to subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to remain updated. According to Ayurveda, the food is categorized into 3 main parts. The first category is sattvic food. The second category is rajasic food. The third category is tamasic food. It should be avoided in the change of the season or during the monsoon season. Friends, I will be telling you the reason why we should avoid these food during the change of season or during the monsoon season. You should note that the period of Navratri falls in the change of the season. Friend, Sharad Navratri fall in the month of October, which means it is the transition between autumn to winter. Autumn से we will be transiting into the winter season. So during this time, if we consume rajasic or tamasic food, friends, it will lead to delineating the focus. आप उतना फोकस अपने आप को फील नहीं करेंगे. आप वट एवर वर्क यू आर डूइंग, यू विल नॉट फील कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड इन दैट. एंड फ्रेंड्स, during Navratri also we need a focus. We want to worship the divine, basically to adopt the pure lifestyle and a focused lifestyle. We avoid tamasic and the rajasic food, especially during the change of season, during monsoon season, and also during the festivals. I will talk about the sattvic food. So friends, sattva means pure, which is natural, vital and energetic. Sattvic food basically includes your fresh fruits, curd, rock salt and the seasonal vegetables. Sattvic food also include certain spices, for example coriander and black pepper. You can use these as a part of your sattvic food. Onion and garlic form the part of your tamasic food. Why it is called tamasic, friends? Because it generates heat within the body. Apart from the non-veg food, apart from the onion and garlic, one more thing, you should avoid fruit juices from the outside vendor. अगर आप बाहर जाके जूस पीते हैं तो you should strictly avoid during this period. It is highly unhygienic because friends, they are hardly fresh. वो फ्रेश नहीं होते हैं जो फ्रूट्स दे आर यूजिंग, एंड ऑल्सो जो फ्रूट्स दे आर हैविंग वो काफ़ी एक्सपोज होते हैं टू द मॉइस्चर and in them more harmful than the good. So make sure you make juice at your home, because if you make the juices at home, that will give you energy. Those fruits will be fresh and they will not be exposed to the moisture in the air. Do all this thing, ये आपको काफ़ी बीमारियों से बचाएगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल डायरिया, टाइफाइड, आपने देखा होगा ड्यूरिंग द चेंज ऑफ सीजन ये काफ़ी प्रोमिनेंट होते हैं. So till now I have told you what all food you should avoid during Navratri fasting or any other fasting, because at that time the change of season takes place. And friends, now I will be telling you what all foods you can have. So the list of food items that you can have during Navratri fasting or during any fast are fresh fruits and vegetables. The most commonly sold atta in India is kuttu ka atta. You can have that sabudana, have the dairy products like curd, milk, and you can prefer the salt. The common salt which is used in India during fasting is seindha namak. So you can obviously go for these items. Food during this period is very helpful. This is because सात्विक फूड कंजम्पशन करने से फ्रेंड्स आपके डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम को रेस्ट मिलता है. It makes your digestive system strong. It gives your body the time to clean the toxins. Having a sattvic food will help you clean all the impurities within your body. So friends, I hope that you will enjoy your Navratri with great joy and fervor. And friends, I wish you take care of yourself also at this time. I'm wishing you all a very happy Navratri. Stay tuned, stay connected friends.